आणि ती बस थोड्याच दीस येयली आणि ती बंद जाली. And when I asked why that bus has been stopped, they are telling me that कंडक्टराची शॉर्टेज हा, ती मातशें पळोवची. मारना विलेज एरियान आहली ती म्हाजी बस. Secondly, regarding our local taxi drivers, our local taxi, I would request the Honorable Minister to see that everyone follows the gazetted rate. Everyone, maybe Goa miles आणि आहा तितले तुझे सगळ्यांनी gazetted rate follow करची. And you have to know, Honorable Speaker, आमचे गोंयकार ते टॅक्सी बिझनसान हा आणि ते क्यू सिस्टमान हॉटेलांच्या फुडल्यान असतात. I know as a hotelier how the tourism is, the occupancy, Friday, Saturday, Sunday business जाता. केन्ना केन्ना Saturday, Sunday आणि तेही हे गोवा मायल्स येतात आणि ड्रॉप करतात आणि पिकूय करतात. I think this queue system where our local taxi people are there, the request is this Goa miles should not come and take into drop करतात ते ड्रॉप करात, ड्रॉप करून वसात. You don't come and pick from that queue system. That gazetted rate has also to be revised periodically. Why I am saying it has to be revised? आता पळय आमचे मोपा एअरपोर्टार ड्रॉपाक 200. आता टोल येयल्लो हा. Regarding the rates, tomorrow I will talk in more detail when it comes to civil aviation. But these gazetted rates have to be revised periodically. Regarding speed governors, Speaker said I would request the Honorable Minister to request all the manufacturing companies or the showrooms to lock the ACM at 80 speed so that this our taxi guys don't have to buy these speed governors of costing 6,000 and ते जाले तेका ते speed governor घालता तेका extra insurance घेवपाक पडटा. You have to look into that also. Regarding digital meter सांगता ते 3 years pass costing ahले 11,234. Every year passing करपाक वयता तेन्ना 4,600.
Honorable member, the house is extended by 5 minutes.
Yeah, every year renewal करपाक वयता तेन्ना 4,654 भरूंक पडटा. This digital meter had 3 features. One is that GPS tracking. GPS track करपाक अजूनही कंट्रोल रूम ना. दुसरे panic button. आता panic button मारलो पासून जाल्यार तेकाय कंट्रोल रूम ना. And third is fare meter rate. That is there only. But since these 2 features are missing, I don't think this renewal fees of 4,654 has to be reduced. And there should be capping on the licenses given to this rent a bike and rent a car. My personal thing is no more licenses to be given for this rent a car and rent a bike. Speaker sir, talking about Panchayat. Increment in all the expenditure heads by 20%. Secondly, आमचे legal fees जे आहा ते it has to be increased for per panchayat at least 3 lakhs. आता तुम्ही जाणा आसतले every panchayat it goes into litigation. तुम्ही 1 lakh केल्ले हा for more than whose income is more than 5 lakhs. I mean, keep it to minimum 3 lakhs so that the panchayats are able to pay the legal fees. The clerical staff to be increased in all the village panchayats by one or two staff. Zaina, they are online. I know I used to make my librarian work for me. So Zaina they. Increase the income limit of panchayats for availing weaker panchayat grants up to 50 lakhs. Now it is 25 lakhs. The 50 lakhs are सगळे पंचायतीन ते construction licenses by त्या वर्षा घेनाल्यार घेना, but other year when their income again goes down to 25 lakhs, I mean, increase that thing to 50 lakhs. And please see that seventh pay scale is given to our panchayat staff. Regarding industries, I would request you to promote non-polluting industries, which I know you are eager in, and first preference to be given to our locals as far as employment is concerned in these non-polluting industries. And in this job phase to be brought in this, by these industries in the college campus. Thank you, Speaker, sir.